What's going on, everybody? It's Anthony with Drone, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to pair your wireless remote with your Sony A7 IV. Let's jump into it. Okay guys, so here we are. I have the Sony A7 IV with a wireless remote that I picked up on Amazon, link in the description below. And believe me, this is not a sponsored video. The company did not ask me to make a video about their product. I am just using their product because I bought it and I happen to really like it. So this is the JJC wireless remote. This is what it looks like, the packaging at least. And I'm going to show you guys how to pair a Bluetooth remote. It does not have to be this one. This is how you do it with any Bluetooth remote. We'll spin the camera around here, open up our screen and power it on. I'm gonna move the remote real quick. Okay guys, so we've got the camera powered on. And what you want to do is you want to hit the menu button, which is right here in the corner. Once you hit the menu button, it's going to be opened up to wherever you're at. So what you want to do is you want to look for the Bluetooth settings. So it's going to be under this green globe symbol, and you go down to Bluetooth, and here you will see Bluetooth function. First, make sure that is toggled on so that your camera has Bluetooth on and it can find the remote. Then you want to go to pairing, and you want to pair the remote. So since I already did pair the remote, I'll explain what you do. So what you want to do is once you go into this menu, the camera is going to be automatically looking for the Bluetooth device that you're trying to pair. So on the remote, you want to hold down the shutter button and the zoom button. So you've got two zoom buttons essentially. Some remotes have a minus and a plus. Plus obviously to zoom in, minus to zoom out. On this remote, there's a W and a T. So what you want to do is you want to hold down the T and the shutter button at the same time. That will make a light blink on your remote, and at that point, your camera should be able to find it. Now, once the camera has found it, you're not done. So this is where I got a little confused, but believe me, it's really easy. So we go back, we wanna manage paired device, check that it's there, BTR-S1, and my iPhone, we're gonna hit menu to go back. And now what you wanna do is you wanna go to transfer/remote. So under here, you wanna go to Bluetooth remote control, and you wanna make sure that's turned on. So if that's not on, then the remote won't work. So even though it's paired, it won't work. So that might throw you off. Make sure that that is turned on and you're good to go. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you that it's paired after you do those steps. So what we wanna do is turn the remote on, and then now that it's on, I'll give it a second, and then there you go. And that's how easy it is to pair a wireless Bluetooth remote with your Sony A7 IV. This is gonna be great for all of you real estate photographers, especially, who are constantly, like me, hiding behind things and going into people's showers and doing all types of crazy stuff to not be in the photo. Before I got this wireless remote, I was using a wired tether like this by Sony, and so you couldn't really separate yourself from the camera. So I'm really glad that I bought this. I know this is gonna be an awesome addition to my toolkit. But if this video helped you out at all, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Also, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way it'll rank higher in the algorithm. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.